scroll through your feed lately? Chances are half the posts, videos, or captions you see were written or edited by AI. From blog articles to YouTube scripts, AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai are shaping the internet we read every day. But here's the question: is AI making our content smarter or just lazier? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide. Today, we're diving into the double-edged sword of AI-generated content, how it's helping creators work faster, but maybe think a little less. Let's start with the good news. AI has made content creation more accessible than ever. You can write essays, edit videos, or brainstorm ideas, all in minutes. AI tools can correct grammar, check tone, and even tailor writing for different audiences. That means students, marketers, and small creators can produce polished professional work without hiring a full team. So yes, in many ways, AI has made online content smarter. Before AI, creating content took hours. Now you can summarize research, repurpose blogs, or translate posts instantly. This speed helps brands and creators stay consistent, producing more high-quality posts in less time. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's amplifying productivity. But there's a catch. When it's too easy to generate content, some people stop thinking deeply. AI can churn out thousands of words, but without human insight, much of it sounds the same. That's how we end up with repetitive blogs, generic captions, and videos that all feel, well, automated. It's content without a heartbeat. The truth is, great content still comes from human curiosity. AI can help you write faster, but it can't feel excitement, humor, or empathy. The most powerful creators use AI with creativity, not instead of it. Think of AI as your co-writer, not your ghostwriter. So what do you think? Is AI making creators smarter by giving them better tools, or lazier by making everything too easy? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. AI isn't good or bad, it's all about how we use it. With creativity and ethics, AI can make online content smarter, faster, and more meaningful. Thanks for watching, and next time we'll explore, can AI replace human creativity? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And stay curious, stay human.